Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. Today I'm reporting from our Acton, Massachusetts location, and we're going to be taking a detailed look at this gorgeous 2018 BMW M550i sedan. This vehicle is for sale here at AlphaCars at the date of this video posting, and if you'd like to view the online listing on our website, alphacars.com, you can view a high-resolution detailed photo set, all of the individual paint thickness readings from each metal panel, free Carfax report, all of the factory options this car has, which it has some very desirable options. I believe the MSRP was over $80,000 when this car was new in 2018. So like I said, take a look at that on alphacars.com. And we do offer transportation as well if you're not local to us in New England. But now let's do a detailed overview of this M550 sedan. First, let's do a walk around of the exterior and check out all of the painted panels. And we'll start here on the driver's side. Nice glossy shine, this gorgeous gray color. And I will note this vehicle, it has been road tested quite a few times, so it does have a little bit of road splash on it here and there, but I will point out if something is actually an imperfection and not just a little bit of the dried water from being on the road. You'll see the hood is cracked open because we have it on the battery tender as we keep our vehicles maintained here before they are sold. But now, looking at the passenger side, once again, even slightly dirty, I might say. It has such a nice shine to it, and everything is looking great. Looking at these front edges of the front bumper here. Now the hood, like I said, I do apologize for the little bit of dried water here and there, leaving behind some residue, but I will point something out if it is an imperfection. The front bumper does have some minor, a little pitting here and there from highway use, but there's no obvious big chips or damage to the front of the bumper or the hood as we're viewing right now. And as I showed you, these lower front edges are nice and clean, so whoever had the vehicle, they definitely drove it well and didn't drive by feel, so to speak. They were very careful against the parking blocks and the curbs. Now looking at the top of the vehicle, once again, the paint is in excellent condition, just with a little bit of dried water, leaving behind a little bit of dirt there. Same thing with the roof. And now looking at the back of the vehicle, when people see the M badge in front of the 550, they know you mean business. This car is very fast, especially with the all drive system. It always puts that power right down and is so exciting to drive. But even back here, the loading area, there's no big imperfections or damage or anything, just a little imperfection right there I'm pointing out with my finger. But other than that, seems like things were carefully put in and out of the trunk. Looking at these 19-inch wheels now, I'm gonna go through them kind of one by one. They do have a little bit of brake dust on the front wheels from those big M performance brakes. And like I said, this is not an imperfection, just a little bit of the splash from the road. And now we're looking at the passenger rear wheel. They all look great. Let's open up the trunk, push the button there, and it opens right up on its own. Super clean back here. Smells really nice as well. We've got some factory carpets, and all of them look excellent. As I take them out of the vehicle now, sorry for the little bit of camera shake, but the cargo floor is all just in very, very nice condition back here. And there's some nice little storage compartments on each side. And now that the carpets are back in the trunk, push the button and it comes right down. Nice satisfying click. Now let's take a look inside the vehicle. I will open both of the doors so we get as much lighting as we can. It is kind of a gloomy day out there and there's not a lot of light coming in here, but taking a look at the rear seating area, just such a nice place to be. The rear seats are even heated, as we can see here. And we've got the armrest for the rear occupants as well. And there is cup holders here to go along with that. But the carpet condition and even the door jambs are nice and shiny and clean. We've got the ambient lighting, even in the rear door panels here. Now, as we take a look at this driver's side, everything is looking great. Little imperfection just right here on the little trim piece there. But yeah, just a very clean car with, I didn't see any wear on the rear seating surfaces. Now, as we open up the front passenger side here, I do apologize for the crinkled plastic, but that is protecting the factory carpet while the vehicle goes on test drives and such before it's sold. But we've got these highly adjustable front seats. I love how this leather is stitched. These are so comfortable, and they offer so many different adjustments to really dial it in to your liking. We've got all the ambient lighting that continues across the dash and into these door panels. Even some ambient lighting there in the little storage compartment. And we'll finish the interior out here in the driver's compartment. And all the surfaces, like the touch surfaces that might be used quite a bit, they all look great, no abnormal wear or anything like that. And once again, we've got our memory and heated seat controls. Before I get in, actually, let's just confirm the condition of the driver's seat. Other than a few little shadows from the showroom lighting, everything is looking great. No abnormal, wrinkles or wear or anything like that on the bolsters. And now getting in the BMW, just such a nice place to be. The materials, how it's all designed, it all looks great. Front seats are heated and ventilated as well. Now looking at the steering wheel, everything just looks really, really nice. It's even heated right there, and we've got the nice M logo. Sorry for the little bit of glare from the outside windows. But now looking at the headliner, have the nice moonroof, really just a well-kept car, very clearly was in the right hands for a long time. And now just popping the hood open, little dusty from the road test, and we do have the battery tender, just making sure the battery stays maintained. But everything's clean and orderly under here with nothing out of place or any modifications or anything like that. So that's really all I have for you today on this 2018 BMW M550. If you are interested in this vehicle and you'd like to find out if it's still available and the pricing, click the link in the description to view the listing on AlphaCars.com. And don't hesitate to reach out to us, send us an email, or give us a call, and we'll be happy to speak with you about this BMW. Once again, I do apologize for the slightly dirty car, but this was when I had the opportunity to do this little condition overview and show you the car as if you're looking at it in person. So once again, thanks for watching. This has been Ian reporting from our Acton showroom. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.